Here I'm sharing a video with you all that is based on your Tata classes. So as we have already done lesson number 2, so I'm sharing this video with you all so that you can more, you can learn the concept of the mouse more easily and more clear the concept will be to you. Because if you will see everything visually and with the help of examples, it becomes very easy to remain everything in mind for a longer period of time. Okay, so here I'm sharing a video with you all that is based on Tata classes. So this is the presentation. Just watch this presentation carefully.
We all love to watch our favorite programs on TV. We use a TV remote to change the channels or the volume of the TV. In computers, we use a device called mouse to point at different things on the screen. This is a computer mouse. It looks like a mouse. It also has a tail. A computer mouse sits on a special seat, which is called as the mouse pad. A computer mouse has two buttons, a left button and a right button. The computer mouse also has a wheel in the center. It is called the scroll wheel. Some computer mouse have 3 buttons. The third button is the middle button, which is between the left and the right button.
Okay, what happens? Some mouse बहुत पहले कुछ माउस ऐसे होते थे जिनमें 3 बटन्स, पहले जो माउस आते थे जनरली उनमें 3 बटन होती थी. स्क्रॉल व्हील नहीं होता था, 3 बटन्स होती थी. लेफ़्ट राइट बटन तो होती थी, साथ में एक मिडिल बटन होती थी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ दैट टाइप ऑफ अ माउस जिसमें मिडिल बटन होती है.
A computer mouse must be handled with care. The buttons of the mouse should always point towards the monitor. A mouse should be held properly. Let's see how to hold a mouse. This is your hand. This is the index finger. This is the middle finger. You can hold the mouse either with your left hand or right hand. Aditi is right-handed. She holds the mouse with her right hand. Preetham is left-handed. He holds the mouse with his left hand.
Okay, if you are a left-handed person, then you have to use this is the correct way for left-handed people, but for the right-handed people, this is the correct way. Okay.
Look at the way they are holding the mouse. Aditi's index finger is on the left button of the mouse and the middle finger is on the right button of the mouse. Preetham's index finger is on the right button of the mouse and the middle finger is on the left button of the mouse. See how their palms are on the back side of the mouse.
This I have already explained you how to hold a mouse.
While pressing and releasing the buttons of the mouse, it makes a click sound. This is known as clicking of the mouse. Just as we use our index finger to point at someone or an object, we use mouse to point at objects shown on the monitor. Mouse pointer is a small arrow seen on the monitor. If we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the pointer also moves on the monitor. Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.
A mouse has a left button, right button and a scroll wheel. Then we have learned that the small blinking arrow or cursor is called as the mouse pointer. What we call it as mouse pointer. Then what we have learned, the place where mouse is capped on is the mouse pad. The surface, we call it as surface. Okay, so this is all we have learned in this chapter, and how to hold mouse properly. Okay, what you have to do, first you have to go through the parts that I have sent you before. In that you can read the chapter, because I have done the reading also. So you, with the help of that videos, it becomes very easy for you all to read the chapter. So read the chapter, do the reading of the chapter, and then watch this video. So everything will be clear to you all. Okay, thank you. Now here is another video that is based on dragging. Okay, dragging of computer mouse.
A computer has many parts like the CPU, monitor, keyboard, and the mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It has a long